Alright, we're here with this new style Sunfish rudder. Was getting ready to box it up and send it on the way, and double checking, well, not double checking, checking first, see if everything was working right, and found out that this pintle that goes through the rudder cheek was basically frozen, couldn't move it at all. So I took the calibrated hammer and if it doesn't move and it's supposed to, you use WD-40. If it does move and it's not supposed to, then you call out the duct tape. So WD-40 and some gentle persuasive tapping started being able to get this to move up and down a little bit. Was finally able to get it removed. And if you take a look at it, it's got some pretty good corrosion on it. So that's just going to rub and stick inside of these gudgeons. So I dug through the parts bin again. Luckily I had an old vintage sailboat parts from AMFL Court. I don't know if we can read what it was for on the back, some kind of Pintle spring kit. So pulled that out. And we're going to put that in. Go back, the old spring kits had this little keeper ring that goes around that little groove in the pintle, and then a little washer, and that's all they had. The newer kits, I guess people complained about trying to get that tiny little keeper ring on while they're holding spring pressure, everything else. So they drilled a hole in the pintle and send the kit with the cotter pin. So if you're having to redo one of these, you're looking for a spring and pintle kit, buy the one that has the cotter pin with it and save yourself some time. I'll give this little keeper ring 1 or 2 shots. If you can't get it on, or it gets all stretched out or goes flying across the shop, then it won't go on. But we're gonna put that on. It's a 3-handed operation. I only have 2. We get that slid up there, and then the ring and the keeper go on. I did have a special tool for that somewhere. I don't know if I can find it, but we'll take a look at it. We'll figure out something. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can just take a pair of needle nose and get them to go right on. And we'll work on that, and we'll get back with you in a bit and let you know how it turned out.